Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to Chakru Academy. In today's session, we are going to discuss a very important concept of matrices where ask you in your board exam or JE exam or CUET exam or KSET one sure shot question that find the number of matrix formed by given entries. So if you see the question here, I have taken a question in which they are asking you to find all the possible matrices of the order 3 cross 3 by using 0 or 1. Okay. So I have already written a 3 cross 3 matrix. In 3 cross 3 matrix, how many entries are there? 9. So at each place, suppose if I talk about this place, how many numbers are available for you to put? At this place, either you can put 0 or 1. Same thing you can tell for this place also. This place can have either 0 or 1. And this will continue for all 9 places. It means every place has two possibilities. Either you can put there 0 or 1. So it means for each place, there are two possibilities. So for the first place, two possibility. For the second place, two possibility. For the third place, two possibility. And it will continue how many times? 9 times because there are total 9 free space here. So you can put either 0, 1 here, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. It continues for all 9 places. So every entry in this matrix can be either 0 or 1. So this 2 means 2 possibility for the first place, 2 possibility for the second place, third place, and till how many places? 9 places. So 9 times. So what should be the final answer here? 2 to the power 9. Very simple. 2 to the power 9. So what should be our answer? Option D. So let's move to the next question. In the next question, there is a small twist. They are not asking you all possible matrices. They are asking you what is the number of symmetric matrices. So let's move to the next problem. If you see the next question, they're asking you number of symmetric matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry either 1 or minus 1. Correct? Let's write a symmetric matrix. That the transpose, okay, the transpose of a matrix should be equal to matrix itself. That is a condition for symmetric. It means if I take any general element Aij, this should be equal to Aji, right? Transpose means what? Rows and columns are interchanged. Aij will be equal to Aji. If I write a general matrix, suppose this is A11, first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, right? Then second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. In symmetric matrix, what happens? The diagonal element, right? These diagonal elements will not change. If you take the transpose also, diagonal element remains unchanged. And one more thing, these three elements will be exactly same as these three elements. That's what is the meaning of transpose, that A12 and A21 should be equal. Similarly, A13 and A31 should be equal. And A23 should be equal to A32. Okay. So what you need to make sure here is that the transpose of the element should be same. Okay. So we don't have to select these three elements. The moment you select these six elements, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, these six elements, the moment you select these six elements, it means job is done. Because these three elements, what you have selected is copied here. You don't have to bother about these three elements. Just focus on these three and diagonal. So you need to focus only on these six elements. So at these six places, how many possibilities are there? For each places, there are two possibilities. For each place, two possibilities. So total, how many places are there? Six. So what will be the answer? Each place has two possibilities. And this will continue how many times? 6 times. So what should be our answer? 2 to the power 6. So what is 2 to the power 6? 64. So option B. Now let's move to the next question. So if you see the next question is similar to the previous question, but the only difference here is that instead of 2 entries, this time you have total 3 entries. This time you have total 3 entries. It means at each place there are 3 possibilities. And how many places you need to think of? 6 places. And at each place 3 possibilities. So 3 will be multiplied how many times? 6 times. So I want you guys to solve this question and write your answer in the comment box and prepare properly for your board exam. Chakru Academy is with you. See you guys in the next session.